everyone, my name is Cheyenne Forbes from Party Host Helpers. Today I'll be showing you how to make St. Patrick's Day treats that are super fun and easy to make. Let's get started.
For this recipe, you'll only need 4 ingredients: mini pretzels, pretzel sticks, Rolos, and M&Ms. On a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, place 3 mini pretzels in a clover shape and add a single pretzel stick in between the 2 bottom mini pretzels. Make sure all the pieces are touching. Fill the baking sheet, leaving space in between each clover. Place a single Rolo in the center of each clover. Make sure the Rolo is covering the area where all the pretzels meet. Bake at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for 2.5 minutes. Then place a single M&M on top of each Rolo and press gently to secure. Let it cool and then enjoy.
Well, there you have it. Thanks so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time.